Oops. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing for you. This is my Jeffree Star, I think he called it the Spring Mystery Box. I got the Supreme. I know he had 4 different sizes. I will throw a picture up on here. So this is my box. I haven't seen any sneak peeks. So let's unbox it together. Okay. It is open. So the first thing I see here is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics hand mirror. This, I actually do not have any hand mirrors. I know my daughter Iris got one, but I don't have any from Jeffree Star. Oh, cool. I like this one. It's big. Jeffree Star approved. They're not that heavy. Very plasticky. But it's pretty. It's cool. I don't have a handheld mirror like this. As you guys have seen in almost all my videos, I use my tiny Kat Von D mirror, which I think I got a while back in a Boxycharm. So I'm happy about this. The next item I have here, I already have. I don't know if Iris has this. This is the Bloodthirsty palette. Do you have this one?
No.
You don't have this one? You don't have the Bloodthirsty palette?
No.
So I guess this one will go to Iris.
Oh wait, let me see. That's Bloodlust.
Oh yeah. Bloodlust. Do you have that one?
Yeah.
You do have it?
Yeah.
Damn it. So I know when I get to 100 subscribers, if I can get 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, and this will be a part of my giveaway. So you guys, come on, subscribe. The next item here is the gloss. Which one is this one? Lord Star. More than likely, I do not have this one. Yep, I don't have it. It's a purple. So that is the gloss. These are colors that my daughter Brianna would truly love. So this is probably going to go to her. The next item here is, what is this? Oh, this is a lip liner, I think. What is this? Yeah, lip liner. This is Breakfast at Tiffany's. So this is not one that I will wear on my lips for sure, but I do love this formula for your, sorry, I got Luna here. So this is Eye Safe formula. So these are actually really good for your waterline, and I don't think I have anything like this for my waterline. So I am not mad about this. That is a very teal color. Let me give it a swatch for you guys. So this will be perfect for my waterline. I won't use it on my lips, but I can use it on my waterline. Okay, the next thing here is a liquid lipstick in Gemini. So I do have this, but the thing is, my liquid lipsticks are very old now that I don't even put them on, to be honest, because they're pretty old. I kind of just have them displayed. So this is a really nice color, and I think I'm going to smell the one that I have. If it's gone bad, then I'm keeping this for myself to actually use. The next one is another liquid lip that I already own as well, and it's called Androgyny. So again, these have been in my collection for quite some time, so they could be old. And since I can't wear those, these are probably newer, so are newer batch date. So I could wear both of these because they are neutral, perfect colors that I would wear. So if they're good, then, or if my other ones are bad, then I'll keep these two. Ooh, I got a velvet, what is this called? A velvet trap bullet lipstick, which I'm not sure if I already own. This one is called Celebrity Skin. That is this one, but before I open it, let me check if I actually have this. So I do have my own already. Of course I do. That is the shade. These are so velvety, guys. They're amazing. So, and these are pretty new in my collection, so we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I got another The Gloss here, and this one is in Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. Okay, so maybe it's a clear one. Yay! This is a clear one. I love it. So the one thing about these glosses, when they're clear like this, I actually, if I have a lip color on, I don't like to use the doe foot all over it. I'll just put some on my hand and then I'll put it on here. I know I'm crazy, but I just don't like the color of this changing because of a color I already have on my lip. But this one is a keeper. Ooh, okay, I don't have this. This is an Extreme Frost highlighting powder. So I don't have these because they're like color duochrome type of highlighters. Look at how luxurious this box looks. There's his logo. And there is the actual highlighter. Let me take it out. We got one on one of the boxes too, because I got the green one too. And these are like $50 alone. So there's that one. And I will go ahead and swatch this because this I could probably use for my eyes or something. Ooh, it's very chunky glitter. Ready? Wait, can you guys see that? Probably not. Hold on. Oh, there you go. There you go. So, it's a chunky glitter. It's beautiful, but I could so use it for my, as in like an eyeshadow. Definitely not on the face. Looks like the theme of this box is like purple because you got like the blood loss collection of items here. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. Oh my god. Do you have this one? The Orgy palette? You don't have this one?
No. He told me not to order it because it's inappropriate.
I got the Orgy palette, guys. And I already have this one. So this one is going to go to Iris because she does not have it. But here, grab mine. Okay, guys, so this is the Jeffree Star Orgy palette. I'll just throw in a picture here because I don't want to get up. But yeah, I'll give this one to Iris because I already own it. But that's awesome. The amount of product that we got in this box is awesome. Oh my god. Okay, 2 more things, guys. OMG. I love his clothing, and it's a sweater, and I got this in an extra large because I like oversized clothing. I got large, and it just wasn't, it was a little snug, so I was like, nope, I'm getting a large, extra large. There's a lot of noise here because I got 3 other people in this room, so I am sorry if you've been hearing it throughout this whole video. So, oh my gosh, this is so cool. So, this is a hoodie. So, this is the hoodie. It has graphics on the sides of the sleeves. And then this is the back of the sweater. This has a good weight to it, guys. So, yay. I'm happy about that. I thought that was the final thing. No, I got 3 more items here. What is this? Ooh, these are eyeshadows. And he has these as singles. I didn't even know he had singles. So, this is called Wednesday. Very cool. It's like a cool gray. Then I got... I wonder if he's going to come out with like Z palettes now to put these in. This one is in Sour. It's a green one. And the last one... Did he send me 2 Wednesdays? I think I got 2 Wednesdays. Hold on, baby. Yes, I did. He said, hold on. I got 2 Wednesdays. I don't know if that was intentional, or I don't know if I just got an extra free one. I'll have to check out other people's videos to see if they got the same as me. So I got 2. Okay, now the last and final thing here. Looks like, what is this? I think it's a fanny pack. Yes, it is. It's a fanny pack. So how are you supposed to wear this? Hold on, let me see. So how am I supposed to put this on? Is it just like that? I'm a little confused how I'm supposed to, is it supposed to be just like this? I wonder. Do you clip it on a belt? Maybe, no? There's no other attachment in here, like to wrap it around me or anything, so I don't know. I'll have to look at some videos and see what other people got from this, but this is new to me as well. Okay, so overall, guys, it was a good box. I'm not mad at what I received. I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am sorry if this is a controversial video because I know not everybody likes Jeffree Star. I will see you guys soon. Please subscribe. Remember, I want to get 100 subscribers. If I can get 100 subscribers, I will have a giveaway for the Bloodlust palette. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.